Hi friends, today we are going to start our wall modeling. For the wall modeling, we will start from our the basement or minus level to floor, and then till to height we will give the -1 level. So for this, first of all, go to visibility and graphics, model categories, and go to topo solid, make it uncheck, make it off. Then by handles we will select or adjust our section box like this. To till the roof or -1 level structure frame. Okay, now in the -2 level we see here we have core structure of the wall that is 200 mm, where interior side we have 2 cm or 0.02, or here 0.01 or mm, or you can say 1 mm, or here 2 mm, or here 200 mm of the wall thickness. Here we have different width of the walls. The second one, here we see this is the core or block width of the wall, that is 15, where we have both side the different type of material, that is 2 centimeter or 1 centimeter. Same here and also same here. So this wall width is 15 centi or 150 mm, while we have this wall is 188 mm or 18.8 mm, and this wall is 200 mm. Okay, now see this wall till here. Also we have 18.8 centimeter or 188 mm. Okay, now for this, here we go to our architectural ribbon, their wall. Once we select the wall, here in the wall properties we have basic walls family, generic wall families, and curtain wall families, and stacked wall families. Inside we have different types. So already generic wall is selected, so we select this generic wall, then go to the edit type. Here we make it duplicate and put the name for wall WA underscore -2 level 200 mm thick wall. Then go to the edit for its structure. Structure is already 200 mm. For the material we go to category and then press it create new material. Make it rename wall underscore -2 level 200 mm thick wall. Then go to appearance. Here in the appearance we see the color. As per your project requirement you can put the color. I choose little bit light color like this. Make it okay. For the image I choose the tile pattern first of all, and then here for the pattern I choose the type, that is running bond. We have here different types, but I choose running bond. And here tile count I put it here 1 and 2 ratio, and 1 for per row and 2 for per columns. But for the sample ratio is 0.3 here, but we change it. We will mention here as we need 600 mm and 0.250 mm we need. So as per the sample we just mention 60 centi or 25, or if you want in millimeter or centimeter you can choose your dimensions 0.06 and then here 0.025 meter. I make it done. Go to the graphics. Here for the foreground pattern, or first of all I choose the rendered appearance for the graphics. Then for the foreground I choose it concrete, or we can put the pattern. For the pattern I will choose the model. Here we have 250, or if we don't have, so then what we will do, make it new, fill pattern, make it custom, then go to browse. Here we have pattern file for the Revit metric 250 over 600 mm. I choose it and then select from here, that is brick 250 over into 600 mm UK STD. I select it, make it OK, and then here we have brick 250 600. Press it OK. Here we have pattern. For the cut plane I just put the brickwork pattern, make it OK, apply, OK, and here you see in the preview, make it OK, apply and OK. Then here we draw our wall, select the frame, and then we see the placement of the wall. First of all, the location of the wall, that is I put core exterior wall. Then press by keyboard the space bar and then from structure frame to structure frame I put it, enter, and then select this wall. Here you see our base offset is 0, and here for the top constraint we just mention for till minus level 1. while if you see, we need to put our base offset is 200 mm. Then our wall will be accurate to till from actually the floor to till minus one level. But here also we have to see, here we have the frame. To avoid the frame, conflictions or clashing, we just make it align to till here. And we can check our, yes, our wall is, make it align this to our wall like this. Now our wall is aligned from floor to the structure frame. And see here, the wall base offset is 200 mm and top offset is minus 0.4034, and top constraint is up to level architectural minus 1. And then after that, you see in the material we put the brick pattern and then cut plane pattern as well the brickwork. So for here you see the pattern, this is in the shaded wheel style. If we make it hidden line, then see the pattern accuracy, it is the same. How we see by measurement tool, we select and measure from here to till here. Because we are here in the 3D view, that's of why our measurement is like this. So after all, our pattern that we already mentioned is accurate. Make it shade and then see our pattern that we have assigned to material is fine. Now what we will do for the other walls, select this wall, right click and make it create similar. From this structure frame to this structure frame like this, and then from this structure frame to the other structure frame like this. And now here we have Wall thickness is 18.8 centimeter or 188 mm. So for this we will make our the wall thickness of the requirement, then go to edit type, make it duplicate, and then here first of all I make the name is wall minus 2 level 188 mm thick, press hit OK, then goes to the structure. Here we make the structure that is 188 mm. For material, if you want the same material, we can choose and we can make the same material. Or if you want the other, then make it create new material. For by the way, I assign the same material, make it OK, make it OK. Then we draw our wall. Select the wall type, then from the structure frame to the other structure frame like this. So friends, hopefully you understood how to create the wall type and material with pattern. So let's see, now we will try to complete our the minus 2 levels wall modeling, and then we will start our interior modeling of the entire walls. For this, stay tuned. Thank you so much.